Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today a quick video about injector codes on Mercedes, okay, and any other vehicle I think will work as well. So let me draw something quick, guys. This is a CLK, okay, CLK 320, okay. So this is a V6, it's a V6 3.2 engine, V6 6 cylinders. So on this one, guys, specifically V6, okay, the cylinders, okay, facing the engine this way, okay, check it out now this way. On the left side we have cylinder 1, 2, 3. That's how Mercedes came up with the idea. On the right side of the vehicle, facing the vehicle, you have 4, 5, 6. So those are the injectors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you have a code, okay, P0201, this is injector number 1, bad injector, and respectively those will be two, you know, P0203. So you go all the way like that. If you have a V8, you have number 4 here, and you start with 5 on this side. And if you might get a code like that, guys, it's most likely injector or the connector going to the injector or a cable. So you have to check those things out. Okay, just a quick thing, we have a problem with injector on this one right now, so we will be making a video how to remove and replace injectors on that engine right here. Let me show you quick which kind it is now. Okay, the hood got stuck on this side a little bit. Okay, like that. Alright, this is that V6 that I was telling you about. And injectors are located right here. This is the fuel rail and this is the fuel line. So we'll be removing and replacing those. You can check it out. We'll have a separate video. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.